Good morning. My name is Suraj Bulchandani, and I have completed my graduation from Ahmedabad University, and I have done my BBA in marketing and finance, and I have secured my admission at Nirma University, Ahmedabad. So when I joined Endeavor, my dream was to get around 90 percentile in CAT, which will make me to secure admission in top institute like KG Somaya, NMIMS, Nirma University, Goa Institute of Management. But luckily, I secured Nirma University, and I'm happy with. So the best thing that Endeavor helped me with my preparation was that one-to-one mentorship program. Like in very in few weeks, there was one-to-one mentorship program scheduled, which help us to track our progress, and the mentors were really helpful and motivated me to be in this journey throughout and give my best. Endeavor phase-wise material is designed very strategically. Like initially, they provide module 0, which covers all the basic of the topics. So, and the next module again from chapter 1, we will start the module 1. So this helps in revising all the topics again and again, that too on different levels. So this also help us in making the topics revised, and we can know what are our strong areas. And if suppose my weak area was geometry, so what I did was I only did the basics of it. I didn't touch that advanced level. As I get to know when I started solving the material. So one can easily do basics of all the topics, and the one who wish to accelerate the topic will go for a further modules. I find that Endeavor test series were actual to CAT. So whatever score I used to score in Endeavor test series was nearly the same I scored in CAT. Like in mocks, there were some ups and downs, but the average which I get to know is what score I get in CAT. So I will say the Endeavor test series was almost the same as CAT. So I have given 3 GDPI in this GDPI preparation. So every GDPI taught me something different about my profile. All the 3 GDPI covers all different aspects of my profile, which helped me to perform well in my final interview. As we don't know what questions should be asked in our final interview, so they prepared from overall 360 degrees. So it was quite helpful. The teaching methodology at Endeavor is, I would say, it's best because they don't keep it on only students that if you have to do, you do. Otherwise, we don't care. They track our progress periodically. So in one-to-one mentorship also, after 5 months, my interview was scheduled. Mentorship program was scheduled. So the mentor will definitely guide me that how to improve my score further, how do I study further, what topics are my strong areas, how I can make them more stronger. And the doubt solving, this was also another great approach. Like they don't spoon fed our doubts, they teach us like what is the correct way. So when I go to the doubt test, they initially ask me how do you solve this question. So when I start solving them, they corrected me, this is the correct way to solve the question. So they don't only spoon fed, but they also teach us the topics in depth. So the methodology at Endeavor is very great. Yes, I referred YouTube material as it helped me to revise that topic more fast, and the GK modules. Like in many other competitive exams, GK is been asked. So that YouTube material helped me a lot in that. So the three pro tips I would like to give to my juniors would be like follow Endeavor weekly schedule, which is provided by Endeavor. Then don't pile up the homework. The homework which we get, try to complete it on the same day. And third, read editorials. Editorials will help you in every way. Like it will prepare you for verbal also and many other things. So these are the three tips I would give to my juniors. The memorable moment was that when the first time I was writing CAT mock series. So I scored pretty low, and the first mentorship session was scheduled after 5 months. So that after seeing the 5 mock score, I was actually demotivated, like how I will able to clear CAT. So the motivation that mentor gave me was at that time was the most memorable moment at Endeavor, because of which I have secured admission at Nirma. Like no matter what happens in life, how many ups and downs come in our life, we should keep never give up approach. So this is what Endeavor taught me. Another thing I would like to add was about the peer group. So the batch of 30 students were there at my time. So they were the only one with whom we used to compete daily, and they were only the one who used to give support to each other at their lows. So the peer group learning was also great at Endeavor. And the study room, which gave us the attitude of learning, well as all of us were learning at same pace. So the study group also helped a lot.